3 days ago, I told you I wouldn't buy New Zealand dollar against the Switzerland franc. Today, everything has changed. Here is what the market just confirmed. Welcome back to CJFXTrade, where we trade with structure, patience, and institutional logic. If you watch my previous NZD against the CHF analysis, you will remember that I wasn't interested in buying immediately. My plan was simple. I want to see the market invalidate the daily and the 4-hour supply zone before looking for buying opportunities. Today, the market has given us exactly that confirmation. Let's walk through it using the CJFXTrade method. The C4, which means contest. Starting with the daily time frame, price has successfully broke above the opposing daily supply zone. Within the CJFXTrade method, when an opposing zone is removed, it tells me that buyers are beginning to take control. That move has also created a fresh daily demand zone between 0.45942 and 0.45726. Now, I like the strength of the move away, but I also have to stay objective. The quality of the base and its location harried my favorite. So while this is now our active daily demand zone, I would gain even more confidence if price continued higher and remove this recent swing high. That will further confirm institutional strength. It's also important to remember that we still have the larger daily demand zone sitting lower at 0.45393 and 0.45165. So even if price pull back deeper, buyers still have another institutional area to defend. Now let's apply the 3P institutional filter. The first P, which means present, institutional buying become visible. They have removed the opposing daily supply. Then the second P, power, means the bullish move was strong enough to invalidate the previous bearish structure. That is positive sign. Then the third P on my method is purpose. The market has shifted from defending supply to creating demand. That tells me institutions may now be prepared for higher price from this area. Moving down to the 4-hour time frame, this is where the confirmation become more stronger. The previous 4-hour supply zone has been completely invalidated. The downward trend line has also been broken, and from the move, price create a fresh 4-hour demand zone between 0.46099 and 0.46019. This is exactly the type of confirmation I was waiting for in my previous analysis. Now, because these demands sit above the daily demand zone, traders have two options. Either use the 4-hour demand zone with a wider stop loss, or wait for price to return and look for a confirmation on the 15 minutes or the 1-hour time frame, which is the best approach I personally prefer. Then let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Price is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. But one of the core principles of the CJFXTrade method is this: we don't trade momentum, we trade trend with confirmation. So I am not interested in chasing price after a strong rally. I will patiently wait for price to return to either the 4-hour or the daily demand zone. If buyers confirm the move from there, that is where I will begin looking for buying opportunity. The last on my method is the arrow 4, which is the risk management. This is where discipline protects your capital. Many traders see a strong bullish move and immediately buy at the market price. That is not my approach. I rather miss the first part of the move than buy at the wrong location. Waiting for confirmation help me control risk and stay consistent over the long term. So here is my current outlook on the New Zealand dollar against the Switzerland franc. The daily supply zone has been invalidated. The 4-hour supply zone has been removed. The bearish trend line has been broken. A A new daily and 4-hour demand zone has been formed. The market has become more bullish, but I am still waiting for price to come back to my area of interest before looking for an entry. That is how I apply the CJFXTrade method. C4 gives me the context. P3 tell me where institutions are active. 3L provide my confirmation. Arrow 4 ensure I manage risk before every trade. If you find this analysis helpful, follow CJFXTrade for weekly institutional supply and demand analysis. And remember, trade with structure, trade with patience, trade with institutional logic. We don't predict the market, we prepare for it. And when the market confirms our idea, we execute with confidence.